All right, I just got the Milwaukee Fuel M18 metal cutting saw at Acme Tool. Their big 15% off fall tool sale. Man, there's some things already I see. I just took this out of the box and there is oil leaking out of this seam. There's oil here. I don't know if you can see that. There's oil there and it's coming out of this seam. And I made the mistake of wiping it with my finger already, so I've wiped some of it off. But not liking that. And the other thing is this shroud is flimsy. So okay, what's going on here? Okay. So this shroud, flimsy is one thing, but out of square is all heck. I mean, come on, guys. This is a $400 tool, and this thing comes out of square with oil leaking out of it. This, I can't tell you how disappointed I am with this thing right now. Come on. There's a huge, let's see, I got to get the light behind it so we can see that there is no way that is anywhere near square. The only adjustment on this is to bend it, right? I mean, you can see it. I could see it, how out of square it was. It just doesn't even look right. And the only thing I can do is bend it. It's just, it's crappy. I mean, man, come on, guys. What's going on, Milwaukee? This is a $400 tool. I don't know. I'm thinking about taking it back. I'm not real excited about this. I mean, this is a beast of a tool, though. Man, this is a beast. This brushless motor is huge. You know, and was it supposed to come with a parallel guide? Because it wasn't in the box. I don't know. If it's doesn't come with the parallel guide, I don't know what good the parallel guide's gonna do anyway, because this shoe on here is so flimsy and crappy. Man, that's just really frustrating. Really frustrating. I gotta bend that thing straight. I really wanted this saw, and the thing is that this is the last one on the shelf at Acme. Well, unless maybe they had another one in the warehouse. I don't know. I got to think about it. I'm really, really, really disappointed with this. I mean, is this thing gonna stay square? You know, and I suppose for thin sheet metal, it's not really going to matter much, but it's putting a camber on a cutoff. I mean, it's got to be square. I mean, if you're cutting tube or you're cutting metal studs, you got to have a square cutoff. Come on, Milwaukee. What the heck?